हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम इन आवर मॅथ्स क्लास. टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचालित लोकमान्य गुरुकुल डोंबिवली. स्टँडर्ड फर्स्ट, सब्जेक्ट मॅथमॅटिक्स. आय एम श्री मंगेश शालिक गायकर. माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, यू मस्ट हॅव नोन द नंबर्स 1 to 10. तर बाळांनो, तुम्हाला 1 ते 10पर्यंतचे अंक माहीतच आहेत. नाव टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न 11 to 20. तर बाळांनो, आज आपण 11 ते 20पर्यंतचे अंक, त्यांची ओळख आणि ते अंक वर्ड्समध्ये कसे लिहायचे हे आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. इंट्रोडक्शन अँड रायटिंग ऑफ 11 to 20. My dear friends, here one bunch of matchstick is given. This matchstick they are tied together and make a bunch. One bunch means 10 stick and one add one matchstick is equal to 11. 10 and 1 make 11. Here 10 block made a group. This is called 110 and one single block means 1 unit. Here two houses we have made 110 and 1 unit. Together of beads, one string is equal to 10 beads. One beads will come in the unit place. 110 and 1 unit make 11. The spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Here one bunch of matchsticks, that is 10. With the 10 plus 1 matchstick is equal to 12. 11 and 1 make 12. There are 110 and 2 units. 110 plus 2 units is equal to 12. We are going to draw the houses, tens and units. So here what we are going to do from one string and two single beads. One string means 10 units and two single means 2 units. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 beads together will become 110 and 2 units. So 110 and 2 units means 12. The spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E. Now here 12 matchsticks are there. With the 12 matchsticks and add one matchstick, so it becomes 13 matchsticks. 12 and 1 make is 13. In 13 we have 110 and 3 units is equal to, in 13 we have 110 and 2 units is equal to 13. 110 plus 3 units is equal to 13. In the houses, tens and units we have going to draw single strings. One single strings is equal to 10 beads and 3 single beads means 3 units is equal to 13. So it becomes 110 and 3 units is equal to 13. 110 and 3 units means 13. What is the spelling of 13? THIRTEEN. 13. Here 13 matchsticks are there. 13 matchsticks. We have adding one matchstick. So it together comes. So together it becomes 14. 13 and 1 make 14. In 14 we have 110 and 4 units. 110 plus 4 units is equal to 14. In houses of tens and units we have going to draw one string and 4 single unit, means 4 single beads. So it becomes 110 and 4 units. 110 and 4 units means 14. What is the spelling of 14? For you are TEEN. 14. Here 14 matchstick. With 14 matchstick we have going to add one matchstick. Together it becomes 15. 14 and 1 make 15. 15 we have 110 and 5 units. 110 and 5 units means 15. Houses of tens and unit we have going to draw one string and 5 single beads. One strings and 5 single beads together make 15. The spelling of 15 is FIFTEEN. 15. Now here 15 matchstick are there. With the 15 matchstick and add one matchstick, so it becomes 16. 15 and 1 make 16. In 16 we have 110 and 6 unit. 110 plus 6 units is equal to 16. Houses of 10 and unit we have going to draw one string and 6 single beads. One string means 10 beads and 6 single beads means 6 units. Together make 16. What is spelling of 16? SIXTEEN. 16. Now here 16 matchsticks are there. With the 16 matchstick and add one matchstick, so it becomes 17. 16 and 1 make 17. In 17 we have 110 and 7 units. 110 and 7 units is equal to 17. House of 10 and unit we are going to draw one single string means 10 beads and 7 single beads means 10 beads and 7 single beads altogether make 17. What is the spelling of 17? SEVENTEEN. 17. Now here 17 matchsticks are there. With the 17 matchstick and add one matchstick, so it becomes 18. 17 and 1 make 18. In 18 we have 110 and 8 units. 110 plus 8 units is equal to 18. Houses of 10 and unit we have going to draw one string and 8 single beads. One string means 10 beads and 8 single beads together make 18. What is the spelling of 18? EIGHTEEN, 18. Here 18 matchstick and add one more matchstick, so together it becomes 19. In 19 we have 1, 10 and 8 units in the houses. One 10 and 9 units is equal to 19. In the houses of 10 and unit, we are going to draw one single string, means 10 bits, and 9 single bits, means 9 units. One single string means 1, 10 and 9 units is equal to 19. 1, 10 and 9 units means 19. What is the spelling of 19? NINETEEN, 19. Here we have 19 matchstick and add one more matchstick, so together it becomes 20. 19 and 1 make 20. In 20 we have 1, 10 and 10 units. 1, 10 and 10 units is equal to 20. Now here houses of 10 unit, we have going to draw two strings, 2 tens plus 0 units. One string means 10 units. Okay, two string means 20 units and 20 units means 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Okay, what is the spelling of 20? TWENTY, 20. ओके, या पाठाचा पुढील भाग आपण पुढच्या तासाला पाहूया, म्हणजे या पाठाची वर्कशीट आपण पुढच्या तासाला पाहूया. थँक्यू.